Evaluation of the indeterminate form 0 to the power 0, 1 to the power infinity, infinity to the power 0. In this case, whenever limit is extending to a, f of x to the power g of x will take the form 0 to the power 0 if both the values, limit extending to a f of x is also 0, limit extending to a g of x is also 0. In that case, I will get the form as 0 by 0 to the power 0. To get the form as 1 to the power infinity, I will or I should have or I will have the form 1 to the power infinity if and only if limit extending to a f of x is 1, limit extending to a g of x is infinity. So it is taking the form as 1 to the power infinity. For obtaining the form infinity to the power 0, limit extending to a f of x equal to infinity, limit extending to a g of x is 0. So therefore infinity to the power 0, because I am taking in general the form as f of x to the power g of x. So accordingly the values of f of x and g of x are defined over here. Always note down here that log and limit are interchangeable. So if you are taking log of both the sides and there is log of limit, then you can take limit outside and take log inside. That is what the meaning is. Log and limit are interchangeable. And also we know the other rule, e to the power log y will always be y. So kindly note down this point. Log and limit are interchangeable. Means log of limit is written as limit of log. That is what the interpretation is. Log and limit are interchangeable. And second is e to the power log y. E and log gets cancelled. Only the answer for that is y. Clear? So that is
Yes,
how
sir.
we will be simplifying. So note down, log and limit are interchangeable. E to the power log y is simply y. That is how the simplification will be. Now what is the working rule? See, the exponential terms can be brought to the simpler form only by taking logarithm of both the sides. So here also we assume the given question as y is equal to limit extending to a f of x to the power g of x. Take log of both the sides. What it will be? Log y is equal to limit extending to a g of x into log of f of x. See, log of f of x to the power g of x can be written as g of x into log of f of x, right? Log m to the power n is n log m. So that is how I am getting log y is equal to limit extending to a g of x into log of f of x, which is of the form 0 into infinity for all the above three cases. It will be convertible to the form 0 into infinity for all the above three cases. Now in the LHS, log y is there to be evaluated by earlier method and y can be determined. This limit can be determined now in the comparison with the case 0 into infinity. 0 into infinity can be reduced to 0 by 0. So I will be getting the value of log y finally, and to get the value of desired question y, I will have to take exponential on both sides, which will be the final answer. Got this particular thing? Because for our convenience we have taken log of both the sides. So whatever simplification we are doing and getting down the answer, that is applicable for log y, but I am interested in finding out the limit which is denoted by y. So in the last step, whatever is the answer, you have to take exponential of that so as to get the value of y. Clear? So this will be the working procedure or working rule for the questions related to the indeterminate form denoted by f to the f of x to the power g of x, which involves the form 0 to the power 0, 1 to the power infinity, and infinity to the power 0. Clear? Convert it to 0 into infinity and then evaluate it by the earlier method, and y can be determined. Completed with this? Over. Yes, finish writing all of you. Completed.
Yes, sir.
First example, 0 to the power 0 form. Evaluate limit extending to 0 x to the power x. Limit extending to 0 x to the power x. So if you see what form it is taking it as, 0 to the power 0. So let y is equal to the original question, y is equal to limit extending to 0 x to the power x, taking log of both the sides. Log y is equal to limit extending to 0 log of x to the power x. As I said, log and limit are interchangeable. So log of limit is nothing but limit of log. So inside I have written the term of log. Log x to the power x. Log x to the power x is written as x log x. Clear? So which is of the form 0 into infinity. Right? Now how it can be written as limit extending to 0 log x upon
1 by
1 by
x.
x. Right? So log 0 is infinity and 1 by 0 is also infinity. Clear? Now how to apply or simplify further? L'Hospital rule. Derivative of log x will be, what is
1 by x.
derivative of 1 by x? What is derivative of 1 by x?
Minus 1 by x square.
Minus 1 upon x square. Clear? Then what is the simplification of this?
minus
Limit,
x.
limit extending to 0. 1 by x into minus x square upon 1. So what you are getting it as?
Minus x.
Yani what
Minus
is the
x.
answer for limit?
0.
But is this the final answer?
No.
This is value of log
Log y.
y. Log y is equal to 0. So y will be equal to e to the power
1.
0. What is e to the power 0?
1.
1.
1. Y is equal to 1. But what is y? Y is the original question. So what is the value of the original question or the limit what is asked? It is 1. Is the step okay? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
I hope everybody has noted down the steps properly.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Got the answer all? So final answer is log y is equal to 0. But I don't want that answer. Log y is equal to 0. Take exponential on both sides. E to the power log y is equal to e to the power 0. So this is y is equal to 1. Y means original question. Limit extending to 0. X to the power x is equal to 1. Clear? So what is the final answer of
Yes,
the
sir.
limit? 1. Sorry? Final answer of the limit is 1. Is it fine? Completed all of you?
Yes, sir.
Finish writing? Take down the next. Limit extending to pi by 2 cos x to the power cos x. Limit extending to pi by 2 cos x to the power cos x. Limit extending to pi by 2 cos x to the power cos x. Cos pi by 2 is 0. Cos pi by 2 is 0. So what form it takes? 0 to the power 0. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Take log of both the sides. Log of cos x to the power cos x. Cos x into log of cos x. Log as it is रखो. Log of cos x upon 1 by cos. 1 by cos is sec. Take the derivative. Log दिखाया ने, firstly you have to differentiate. Then it is convertible to certain other form 0 by 0. And then you can find out the value by putting the limit. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So limit extending to pi by 2 log of cos x upon sec x. Derivative of log of cos x 1 upon cos x into minus sin x. Derivative of sec x is sec x into tan x. But sin upon cos is tan. Tan and tan gets cancelled. I am left with only 1 upon sec x. And what is 1 upon sec x? 1 upon sec x is cos x. Nothing in the denominator. Cos 90 is 0. E to the power 0 is 1. What is the final answer? 1. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Very simple. So final answer is log y is equal to 0. Y is e to the power 0, that is 1, and hence limit ka value comes out to be 1. This is your final answer. Completed with this? So limit extending to 0 pi by 2 cos x to the power cos x is 1. Is the answer clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. The next form is infinity to the power 0. The next form is infinity to the power 0. Limit extending to 0 1 by x whole raised to 2 sin x. 1 by x whole raised to 2 sin x. Limit extending to 0. 1 by x is 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is infinity. Right?
Yes,
So this
sir.
becomes 2 sin x into log of 1 by x. Always we take care that logarithmic term should not be disturbed. So what should be disturbed or what should be transferred? This should be converted by taking it to the denominator. So log of 1 by x upon 1 upon 2 sin x. This 2 goes to the numerator. 1 upon sin x is cosec x. And then it is of the form infinity by infinity. It is convertible to form 0 by 0 by applying L'Hospital rule. Log दिखा यानी पहले डेरिवेटिव लेना है. Clear?
Yes, sir.
I hope everybody is noting down.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So 2 into this 2 will go to the numerator. 2 into log of 1 by x. 2 into log of 1 by x upon cosec x. Infinity by infinity. Derivative of log of 1 by x. Derivative of log of 1 by x is 1 upon 1 by x into derivative is minus 1 upon x square. 1 upon 1 by x is nothing but x in the numerator. So x upon x square is simply 1 by x and minus sign as it is. So this is giving you answer as minus 1 by x. The simplification. Right? And derivative of cosec x is minus cosec x into cot x. ठीक है? ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Now what is to be done again? Yes? What is to be done again? Is it giving you the answer?
No, sir.
Then
Differentiate again.
डिफरेंशिएट अगेन और कुछ सिंप्लीफिकेशन हो सकता है क्या? देखो ना कोसेक एक्स को कैसे लिखेंगे?
1 by sin x.
1 by
1
sin.
बाय साइन. कॉट को कैसे लिखेंगे?
Cos by sin.
कॉस बाय साइन.
Sin.
सो दिस कैन बी इसके साथ ही आगे जाना है कि पहले इसको कन्वर्ट कर लेते हैं. सो व्हाट इट विल बी, माइनस माइनस चले गया, 2 इज आउटसाइड, सो दिस बिकम्स साइन स्क्वायर एक्स अपॉन x into cos x. Yes, it will be like this.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now 1 sin x upon x can be taken proper care because I know the rule, limit extending to 0 sin x upon x is 1. So what I will do over here, did you understand what I'm trying to say?
Yes, sir.
This is sin square x gone to the numerator, x into what is remaining, cos x, right? Still it is giving the form as 0 by 0. So what I do, I take 2 as it is. 1 sin x upon x can be written like this, and 1 sin x upon cos x can be written as tan x. And then you apply limit extending to 0. So 2 into what is value for this limit extending to 0, sin x upon x? 1. And what is tan 0? 0.
0.
So ultimately what is the answer coming out as? 0.
0.
But what will be final answer of the limit? E to the power 0 is 1. Right?
Yes, sir.
Got the answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So here, instead of going for the product rule, what I do, minus 2 by x upon cosec x is written as 1 upon sin x, cot x is written as cos x upon sin x, sin x into sin x becomes sin square x. So minus cancel, 2 into sin square x upon x multiplied by cos x. Clear? Then 1 sin x is attached with x and other sin x upon cos x is written as tan x. This sin x upon x when limit extending to 0 is 1. So 2 into 1 into tan 0 is 0. Ultimate final answer comes out to be 0. But this is log y. Log y is 0 means y is equal to e to the power 0, that is 1. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Final answer is over. Y
Yes,
is
sir.
equal to the original limit, that is 1. ठीक है? Is the solution completed? Is the solution clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. The last form of the evaluation of indeterminate, that is 1 to the power infinity. Evaluation of the form 1 to the power infinity. Example, evaluate limit extending to 1 x to the power x 1 upon x minus 1. Evaluate limit extending to 1. So if you see in the examples related to indeterminate form, you have to solve the example completely to know the correct answer. There is no shortcut method. Limit extending to 1 x to the power 1 upon x minus 1. 1 to the power infinity form. The process is same. Take log of both sides. Log of x to the power 1 upon x minus 1, 1 upon x minus 1 into log x. Automatically it gets converted to log x upon x minus 1. Log 1 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 by 0 form. 0 by 0 form is evaluated by applying L'Hospital's rule. Take the derivative of log x, take the derivative of x minus 1. Very simple. What is derivative of log x? 1 by x. Derivative of x minus 1 is 1. 1 by 1 is 1. Final answer is 1. Log y is 1. Y is e to the power 1, that is e. Here answer will not be 0. E to the power 1 will be e. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Is the screen visible properly?
Yes, sir.
So y is equal to e to the power 1 is the answer. Is it okay? Completed with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is, the answer is E. This is the again a different kind of example, very important one. Limit extending to 0, a to the power x plus b to the power x plus c to the power x upon 3 to the power 1 by x. Note down this example, the last one. Evaluate limit extending to 0, a to the power x plus b to the power x plus c to the power x upon 3 raised to power 1 by x. What is a to the power 0?
1.
1.
B to
1.
the power 0?
1.
C to the power 0?
1.
1 plus 1 plus 1?
3.
3 by 3?
1.
1 by 0 is?
Infinity.
Infinity.
So this is of the form?
1 to the power infinity.
Yes. So I identify this form as 1 to the power infinity. Right? So same procedure, take log of both the sides. Clear? Taking log of both the sides. What it will be? 1 by x into log of this bracket. समझ में आया? log लेंगे तो क्या होगा? log of this bracket to the power 1 by x means it is 1 by x into log of this bracket, a to the power x plus b to the power x upon 3. Now what is derivative of log u? Derivative
1
of
by u
log
du by dx.
1 by u du by dx. Completed up to this, everybody? This is over.
Yes, sir.
Completed. So after that, 1 by x multiplied by log of this. So it is log of this upon x. Yes. Now what is derivative of log u? Log u is 1 by u into du by dx. So derivative of a to the power x is a to the power x log a. Derivative of b to the power x is b to the power x log b. Whole divided by 3 is constant as it is. Is this step okay? 1 by u into du by dx. So 1 by 3 common or constant. Derivative of a to the power x is a to the power x log a. B to the power x is b to the power x log b. C to the power x is c to the power x into log c. Our denominator contains x. What is derivative of x? 1. Right? Is this right?
Yes, sir.
Now if you
Yes,
say
sir.
denominator is 1, means it is non-zero. I can put the limit now. What is limit? Extending to 0. a to the power 0 plus b to the power 0 plus c to the power 0. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. 1 into log a, 1 into log b, 1 into log c. So I am getting log a plus log b plus log c. What is log a plus log m plus log n?
Log m into n.
Log m into n. Very good. So log m into n is log m plus log n. So what will be log a plus log b plus log c equal to?
Log a into b into c.
Log of ABC.
Yes, log of ABC. This 3 by 3 is cancelled. Only I am remaining with 1 by 3 into log a plus log b plus log c. 1 by 3 into log of ABC. This is log of ABC to the power 1 by 3. But this is log y. Cancel log from both the sides. You get answer as ABC to the power 1 by 3. So final answer is log of ABC to the power 1 by 3. Y is equal to removing log from both the sides. We get ABC to the power 1 by 3.